Health Pro presents 5 secret vitamins to glow your skin naturally. While a healthy and balanced diet is essential for overall skin health, certain vitamins can contribute to a healthy and radiant complexion. Here are some vitamins that are commonly associated with promoting skin glow. Number 1. Vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant helps in collagen production, brightening the skin, and reducing the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Number 2. Vitamin E. Another antioxidant, vitamin E helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It aids in moisturizing the skin and improving its overall texture. Number 3. Vitamin A. Also known as retinol, vitamin A promotes skin cell turnover and helps maintain the skin's smoothness and elasticity. It can be beneficial for addressing fine lines, wrinkles, and acne. Number 4. Vitamin B3. This vitamin helps improve the skin's barrier function, enhances hydration, and reduces redness and inflammation. It may also assist in minimizing the appearance of pores and uneven skin tone. Number 5. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid. Vitamin B5 aids in skin hydration and helps retain moisture. It can contribute to softer, smoother skin. Remember, while supplements may be available for these vitamins, it's generally best to obtain them through a well-balanced diet. Foods like citrus fruits, berries, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fish, and carrots are good natural sources of these vitamins. It's important to note that individual results may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional or dermatologist is recommended for personalized advice regarding your skin health and specific vitamin requirements. Like this video if you found it informative. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.